Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel and welcome to what is not Woodgrain and Winter, which is what I was supposed to be starting today, you guys. And I'm just going to do a quick share of this awesome advent calendar that I ordered from MK's shop, Some Assemblage Required. It didn't come in this little box. It comes in one of her regular boxes. But each package is numbered. This one is number 1. I'm going to open it today. This is actually just the 30th. So I'm not opening everything really early. I'm just opening a day before so that I can share here as well. And I don't know that I'll share every day on my channel. I will share it over in my group, Galaxy Girl Creations. So you can come and check me out over there if you're not already a member. But you can see what I open each day over in the group. You may not see it here because I am supposed to be doing Woodgrain and Winter, which is a series that MK and I are starting today, Sunday, and I think it's on Tuesdays or Wednesdays. I cannot, Fridays? I think Tuesdays. I'm not really 100% sure right at this point. My brain's a little bit fried. And the reason I don't have a video for you today is I am behind in creating. We went away for the holidays. Went to visit my brother in Idaho, and while we were there, my mom fell and ended up with a compound fracture to her ankle. So everything's kind of off because all kinds of plans had to get shifted around. So that's why I don't have a video today of doing a layout, but I'm going to open this right now. So there are 25 little envelopes. They're not all different sizes, but there's several different sizes. That's day 9. You can see the little number here, in case that's hard to read. And I think the paper is so cute that it's all wrapped in. And then you can see like day 7 is just a little small one, but I can't wait to see what's in here. So, and I don't know if she has any more of these available, but I will put a link down below just in case she does to her site. If she's got some available, I'll put a link to the actual product. Ignore the big green and red on my arm. I just strained my muscle moving stuff in Idaho, to Idaho. And so, yeah, I'm trying to be cautious. Okay, so here it is. I've undid all of these are actually little bags, you guys. These are so cute. You know that's going to get used. Okay, so here's the first 2 items. Ooh, 2 pieces of wood. We have a little hiking boot with lots of little sprigs, which is super cute. And we have a little piece that says time for an adventure. And it's got, I love the little trees are like engraved, and it almost looks like they're at different depths, but it's so pretty. And these will have a masking on them. So if you take your fingernail and peel it off, or you can take a piece of like Gorilla Glue or duct tape or whatever and rub it on top and then pull it off. It'll pull the masking off. But you can also use the masking, like leave this masking on, and then you could pull the masking off the heel and off of the area around the laces, and you could paint that with a paint pen, and then it will, when you're done painting and it's dry, pull the masking off here and it will protect that area so you don't get any paint in there, that kind of stuff. The neat thing about this is it is an advent calendar for Christmas, but the items are not Christmas related, so you can use them any time of the year. So I'm super excited about that. So that's the first thing. Yay! Okay, I'm going to sign off. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys again on Sunday with a Woodgrain and Woodgrain and Winter. Hopefully I am up to speed by that point. If not, it'll be next week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.